Glenn's getting very excited. I'm getting very excited. Ollie's getting very excited. We're finding life in a very remote, hostile environment.
So we've taken a sample here from To Vatnajokull and we'll be sequencing that back on the ice cap in our base camp with our portable lab. We just did our DNA extraction protocol using my sleeping bag lab, and we've converted a bit of soil into this tiny tube of DNA here. And we're going to start sequencing it now.
So at the moment we've boiled some water to be used in the water bath that Glenn is using to basically convert the DNA that we've extracted into a form that can be used with the flow cell.
We're running some software that's reading the DNA sequences using this Nanopore device. In here we put a flow cell, which I've been keeping warm using my body heat alone for the entire crossing of the ice cap, which was started 11 days ago.
So the run's up and going. So it needs to get to 34 degrees. It's currently at 29. I've been having the MinION sat between two hand warmers basically for about the last 20 minutes. So it's getting there. Now it's going to quality check the flow cell and see if we were able to keep it alive in this box for 80 kilometers. So let's hope for green. Green is good. It's looking very good. And we're sequencing! This has worked! Yes! We're sequencing DNA from To Vatnajokull, having travelled 80 kilometres over Europe's largest ice cap, and we're sequencing in our tent on the ice cap with 180 active pores. This has worked! And there we have it. We're going to see just how long we can push it, and the challenge here is to keep a laptop running a intensive program for 20 hours, something like that. So we've got big solar panels outside coming in through this wire, charging this battery pack here, which is charging the laptop in turn, and we're kind of alternating between all the battery 5 hours, 10 hours in. So it's the final push. We're almost at 12 hours. I'm just going to put a little bit more library onto the flow cell to see if we can eke out any extra data.
So me and Ollie went for a ski earlier today whilst Glenn was conducting a sequencing effort in the tent. The sequencing effort entailed, as I understand it, of having a nap and listening to a podcast. Doesn't sound bad.
Hey! There we go. We sequenced 100,000 individual strands of DNA from a sample near the ice cap in our tent using solar power. 100,000. Awesome.
What's the issue, Glenn?
Well, the sequencing run is taking a long time, but that's good because we're trying to run it for as long as possible. But the problem is we want to go to bed. So it takes priority, and I'm gonna sleep at the foot of the bed. How the hell's it been? 15.5 hours. How did last night go, Glenn? Good. We did just under 20 hours of non-stop sequencing. Delirious, tired night. Staying up till 2 AM to see it done. A windy night as well. But